Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to discuss about conversion of DFA to regular expression. If a language is defined by a DFA can also be defined by regular expression. So for each DFA there is an equivalent regular expression. So we can find the regular expression from the given DFA using Rij to the power k method. That means we will receive final regular expression from the DFA using this formula. So here R represents regular expression, I means start state, J final state, and K represents number of intermediate states. So this K cannot be greater than total number of states of the DFA. If the number of states of the DFA is 3, then K can be taken from 0 to 3. So it cannot be greater than number of states of the DFA. So we have to find the regular expression from the start state to final state, and we have to consider the K from 0 to total number of states of the DFA. So we can find the this method. We can find the regular expression using Rij to the power k method by the inductive definition. So there are two cases, basis and inductive step. In the basis case, we have to consider k equals 0. That means k means intermediate node. There is no intermediate node between I and j. So we are going to take k equals 0, and here there are two cases. This I is not equal to j, or I may be equal to j. I is not equal to j means I and j are two different states. In I equal to j case, I and j are the equal single state. So first I is not equal to j case, so there are two different states and there is no intermediate state. K equals 0, so there is no intermediate state. So in this condition, if there is no transition from state I to state j, means then the regular expression Rij to the power k is 0 here. So Rij to the power 0 is 5. So if there is no transition from state I to state j, then Rij to the power 0 is equal to 5. If there is a single transition on A from state I to state j, means then Rij to the power 0 is equal to the single symbol A. If there are k transitions from state I to state j on the symbols A1, A2 up to AK, there are k transitions from state I to state j, then Rij to the power 0 is equal to A1 plus A2 plus up to plus AK. Here plus means union operation, A1 union A2, like that. Then I is equal to j case. So here I and j are equal. So we are going to consider self transition. So here also no transition, single transition, and k number of transitions. If there is no transition from I to j or I to I, then Rij to the power 0 is equal to epsilon. Here 5, but here epsilon, because self transition means without any transition, we are going to consider the regular expression as epsilon. And I, if there is only one transition from state I to state I, that is the transition on A, means then regular expression Rij to the power 0 is equal to epsilon plus A, either epsilon or A. Then there are k transitions. If there are k transitions from state I to state I on the input symbols A1, A2 up to AK, then Rij to the power 0 is equal to epsilon plus A1 plus A2 plus up to plus AK. Plus means union operations. So in I is not equal to j case, no transition means 5, single transition means that symbol alone. K number of transition means union of all those symbols. In I is equal to j case means we have to just add epsilon to all these regular expressions. So epsilon plus 5 is epsilon, right? So epsilon, then epsilon plus A, epsilon plus A1 plus up to plus AK. Then so these are the 6 formulas for the basis condition. Then we are going to discuss about inductive step. In inductive case, we are going to consider k is greater than 0. In basis condition, we have considered k is equal to 0. That means no intermediate state from the state I to state j. But in inductive condition, we are going to consider k greater than 0. That means one or more intermediate states between I and j. And here also there are two cases. One is the path does not go through the state k at all. So from I to j, so regular expression is Rij to the power k minus 1, the previous intermediate state. Then the second condition is the path goes through state k at least once. So for example, if you consider this I and j, in between I and j some number of k's are there. So here the regular expression is Rik to the power k minus 1, then kk to the power k minus 1 star. It may be done any number of times. So rkk to the power k minus 1 star, then here kj, so rkj to the power k minus 1. So if you combine this, we will get rik to the power k minus 1, rkk to the power k minus 1 star, rkj to the power k minus 1. Now we have to combine the first and second cases. So Rij to the power k is equal to Rij to the power k minus 1 plus this expression. Okay, so the path does not go through k at all. Union, the path goes through k one or more times, any number of times. Okay, any number of times. Before going to see an example for the conversion of DFA to regular expression, we should know about some simplifications. So these are all the simplifications of regular expressions. So the first one is epsilon concatenated with any regular expression is equal, or regular expression is concatenated with epsilon means we will get the same regular expression. Okay, because epsilon is an identity element during concatenation. So if we concatenate epsilon with the regular expression, we will get the regular expression as the answer. Then phi is concatenated with the regular expression means we will get phi as the result. Then epsilon to the power star is epsilon, because the meaning is star means Kleene closure operator, means it represents any number of epsilon. So 0 epsilon, 1 epsilon, 2 epsilons, all are epsilons only. So we can write epsilon. Similarly, phi to the power star is also epsilon. Then because 0 number of phi means epsilon, then 1 number of phi's, 2 number of phi's will come. So epsilon star and phi star will give epsilon as the answer. Then phi plus r, here please remember, here plus represents union operation. So phi plus r means this is empty language plus any regular expression is equal to regular expression. Union of empty language and regular expression is regular expression, and regular expression union the same regular expression means we will get only one regular expression. The meaning is either regular expression or another regular expression. So we can take only one regular expression. So r plus r is r. Then r star is equal to r star r is equal to r plus, because what is r star? R star means any number of r. So 0 number of r means epsilon, 1 number of r, 2 numbers, 3 numbers, etc. Then r star means if you concatenate r with r star, r is concatenated with the above expression, means we will get r concatenated with epsilon is r, then r, triple r, etc. Any number of r's except epsilon. Number of r's except epsilon means that can be written as r plus. So r star or r star is concatenated with r means we will get r plus. Then the next one is r star to the power star is equal to r star. R star itself will give any combination of r's, any number of r's including epsilon. Again we are performing the same closure operation to the result, we will get the same. So r star. Then the next one, epsilon plus r star, or epsilon plus r star r. is equal to R star, because we know that R star is equal to R plus. R plus means any number of R excluding epsilon, without epsilon, right? So here again epsilon union R plus is performed. Okay, so epsilon union R plus means again we will get R star. So epsilon plus R star means we will get R star. Then the next one, R star concatenated with R star, means this R star means any number of R's including epsilon. Again concatenate this with another set, means we will get epsilon and all combinations of R's, right? So R star is equal to R star. Then R star plus epsilon. R star itself has epsilon and all combinations of R's. Again epsilon is added here, right? Union operation is performed. So simply we can write R star, because R star itself has epsilon. Again we are going to perform union epsilon. So it is already included in the R star. Then the next one is R plus epsilon star. R plus epsilon star means any number of R and epsilon to the power star. So we will get epsilon and all combinations of R's. So we can simply write it as R star. Then R plus epsilon concatenated with R star, or R star is concatenated with R plus epsilon. So if we concatenate this one, we will get I'll write it here, R star is concatenated with R plus epsilon, right? So if you concatenate these two, R star R plus epsilon concatenated with R star means R star, right? Because epsilon is an identity element during concatenation, and we know that R star R is R plus union R star. R plus union R star. R plus means it has any number of R's except epsilon. R star will have these any number of R's including epsilon. If you perform union operation of these two, we will get R star, right? Epsilon and any number of R. So R plus epsilon R star is equal to R star into R star concatenated with R plus epsilon, means we will get R star. Then one more important formula is R plus epsilon concatenated with R plus epsilon star concatenated with R plus epsilon. So if you solve like this, here also we will get R star, because R plus epsilon star means R star. Then R plus epsilon concatenated with R star concatenated with R plus epsilon means we will get epsilon and all combinations of R. So R star is the result. Then R star, yes, one regular expression star, closer regular expression. Then another regular expression is concatenated with this union. This regular expression is there. R star yes plus yes, or yes R star plus yes. In these two cases, yes R star plus yes. This is also the same. Okay, so R star yes plus yes or yes R star plus yes means the result is R star yes. In this case, the result is this is second equation. In this case, the result is yes R star. Okay, that is, we can remove this part. Union yes part can be removed, because yes R star means, if you consider R star means any number of R including epsilon. So if S is concatenated with that, we will get S R, double R, triple R, etc. Right? S R star means S must be concatenated with this R star. So S, S R, S double R, etc. So this one, union yes, again S is included here. This is already included in this. So there is no need to include S again. So S R star plus S is S R star. Similarly, R star S plus R. R star S means R star S means S must be concatenated with R. So S, RS, double RS, etc. Again perform union operation with S. but this S is already included, so R star S is a result. Then final one is phi plus epsilon is epsilon. Okay, thank you. In the next video we will discuss about example. Thank you.